What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel Fold. That's right, in all its beauty. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that bad boy. You know what I'm saying? So you want to protect this goodness. Let's open it up for you so you guys can see the goodness that it is. Now I'm going to put a screen protector on the outer display, which is the one here, and it's going to protect it. Now I received this from Whitestone Dome. This is the dome glass. It's a pretty simple install. It's a very easy install. I'm going to show you how to do it. Comes with the two pack California. No, it comes with a 2-pack, so you'll be able to install it on your Galaxy Folds. Easy, simple, very good quality, high touch sensitivity, scratch protection, shatter resistant. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this up and put it on the Google Pixel Fold. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the accessories here for the Whitestone Dome. And this Whitestone Dome screen protector will be good for your if you have a case or anything like that. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn off the device. So we're going to swipe down here, hit that power off button, and then power that sucker off, okay? That way it doesn't do anything. Then we're going to wipe the screen down with a little wet wipe. Then we're gonna wipe it with a cloth, and it comes with 2 of each. And then we have these dust absorber stickers. These are very important. Don't forget about doing this. Very, very important. So first thing you're gonna do, and then it comes with 2 of these screen protectors. So we're gonna put those to the side. Put this over here. Put this sideways, so we can go ahead and clean this up. And this is very simple. Just want to kind of wipe it down, get it real nice and clean. Then you're gonna come after it with the what do you call it, the microfiber cloth. Gonna dry everything and then use the dust absorber sticker. Wipe it down. You want to protect the outer screen, because remember, this is a foldable, so this is going to be exposed a lot. Even if you have a case on it, you know, a lot of times that's going to protect the edges, but not exactly the base of the screen. You get all your dust off. You want to do this real well and keep this nearby, because you might have to hit it again before you put the actual screen protector. So put that there. I'm going to pull this off here, like so. And then you have this step 1. And then you're going to grab this and pull it off. You don't want to stick it to anything. You're simply going to put that on top of your device like that. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can do it twice if you want. It's not a big deal. 3. And then you're going to pull this off. Now you want to hold down the case, or the bridge, or whatever it is, and then pull this off like that. That to the side, and then you're just going to pull that off, and there you have it. Get your microfiber cloth, and there's your screen for the Whitestone Dome on the outer display. So now you have some protection. And let's take a look at the coverage. Is pretty good, pretty even. Doesn't go all the way to the edge, because remember, a lot of people don't realize this. They're like, oh, it doesn't go all the way to the edge. Remember, you got to put a case on this. So, you know, if you're putting a case on this, then you're going to have a little room. All right, so it looks like it's a pretty good installation. But one of the things I wanted to show you, so that you can increase the sensitivity of the screen after your install, you can go in the settings. But first thing I want to tell you, if you want to pick this up, drop down in the description. You You can pick this up from Whitestone Dome. They got some pretty good deals. Also on Amazon, you can pick this up also. So I'll leave some links for them down there in the description. And also remember to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you know when videos like this are coming. But what you want to do is you want to go into settings, and then you want to go to display, and then you want to go to, you see right there, screen protector mode right there. You want to select that. Boom. And what that does is increases the touch sensitivity and improves the touch when you're using the screen protector. So if you want that extra confidence, everything's going to be smooth, but it's smooth without it, so you don't really need it. And so that's that, you're good to go there, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. But that is the screen protector from Whitestone Dome for the Google Pixel Fold. Thanks for watching.